everyone, and welcome to what is vlog number 14. For someone who's coming across for the first time, thanks for stopping by, and for our regulars, we appreciate your content, we appreciate your comments, your subscriptions, and your likes. Yeah, this week the recipe is going to be fairly simple but really tasty. Everybody loves chicken wings, and so we're gonna have some nice spicy mango habanero chicken wings. Yeah, we're making the trek to the market to get the materials, and we're gonna get back to the crib to prepare it. Hopefully you guys enjoy. See you in the next frame. Much love.
Touch your butt.
Beautiful. So we're back at the crib. We have these chicken wings which we cleaned and we took the time to French them. So as you can see, the little drumsticks out. Now this is going to be a really dope summer recipe. So some salt, lemon pepper. Because you have all of those nice spices, it would be a good one for when you're having some cognac, some chicken wings and bears, and it just smells of the summer, you know what I mean? As today is Father's Day, it's a good one for the dads too because everybody loves chicken wings, you feel me? So we're mixing our various spices. So far we've added some salt, a little bit of lemon pepper, some cayenne, a little bit of black pepper, and of course a touch of oregano. Too much. Hint of black pepper, of green seasoning, sausage jute. Get your spoon, mix it up. Again, you could use your hands. Power to you if you use your hands. Beautiful. Now we mix those up. Add some fresh garlic. And right. This is going to sit for the better part of the next 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're going to dry this in some flour and kick on to the next frame. So this chicken has been sat for the better part of the last half an hour. Now we're going to proceed to mix our flour with the salt. Season it up. More cayenne. Of course, lemon pepper, black pepper, and a hint of oregano. Alright, mix it with your hands, and make sure your hands are always clean. With this flour mixture, you put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 220 degrees C, 475 degrees F. After the first 22 minutes, you take it out and you flip them on the other side so everything is nice and colored. We'll see you guys in a bit.
Hey, listen.
Beautiful.
I have a record I want you to play.
So now we have one mango cut up.
The kids would enjoy a nice song.
You're gonna have quite the array of spices.
It is a rare, wonderful.
With 2 cloves of garlic. Fundamental. And we're going to use 3 different types of peppers, yeah? So this one is your normal jalapeno. You can go with the seeds or without the seeds. I would quite like the heat, so I'm going with the seeds. You feel me? Put this guy in here. This This one is very hot, scorpion pepper, so we're only going to use about half of it. Put the rest on the side. Really spicy pepper, so we're not going to go overboard with this one. And this one is what they call a banana pepper, which is a nice blend between spice and a nice sweetness. You have a chopper, you should use it. Alright, put everything in here. Alright, all of those peppers in there. Squeeze some lime. First stage, we go blend this guy, yeah? Beautiful. Wonderful. Wonderful. So now that we have this puree of our mangoes, our pepper, a little bit of garlic, and a touch of paprika, we're going to transfer it into the pan and transform this puree into a glaze. We're going to put it on the oven, on the stove top, for about 5 to 10 minutes, maybe less. You'll gauge it based on the heat there. And we're just going to add this in here. Get all of that goodness. All of that goodness in there. Let nothing go to waste. Of course, brown sugar. If you have honey, it's probably better. But brown sugar will get the job done in any event. So now this guy is going to go into the heat and we'll check in when it's made the glaze. Peace.
Ryan Little.
Once the wings are coated, you put them back in the oven for the better part of the next 10 minutes at 425 or 230. Next time we check in, they're going to be nice and crispy. 10 minutes. Remember, cast iron pot. Cast iron pot is your friend. Yeah? Beautiful. So now our chicken's out. Let's give it a try. See how we came out. Beautiful. See how those wings are nice and coated? Spicy, tropical, but amazing. Anywho, so I'm gonna get to more of these chicken wings. I'll close off in a bit. These are really good. See you guys in the next frame. Alright, so it's been a fairly long morning so far, yeah? Hopefully you guys enjoyed the recipe. To all the dads out there, happy Father's Day. And to everyone else, just remember to eat well, live well, be well. Remember to hit the subscribe button on the side and peep the next video right there. Peace.
Ryan Little.